Shri GHP Raju, IPS, Principal Secretary, Government of Meghalaya. Shrimati MN Nampui, IAS Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Social Welfare Department. Professor Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary, All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. Shri Amitav Joyprakash Chaudhary, Editor-in-Chief, Healthy India Chronicle, New Delhi. Shrimati S.B. Marak, MCS Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Meghalaya, Shillong. Dr. N.P. Lalu, Project Director and State Coordinator, State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, Civil Hospital, Shillong. Dr. Niraj Saxena, Advisor, All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. Official from different offices and departments. Members of NGOs working for the welfare of persons with disabilities. Parents and persons with disabilities. Member of the press, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, and Healthy India Chronicle, New Delhi, for organizing this program on this day, the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Northeast Disability 2021. I am very fortunate to have this opportunity to be in the midst of this prestigious gathering, and also glad to know that Professor Rajiv Kumar and Dr. Niraj Saxena, who have come all the way from Delhi in spite of your busy schedule to be here with us, sparing your valuable time and to grace this very special occasion in your presence, with your presence. Today, Meghalaya, along with the rest of the world, is observing International Day of the Person with Disabilities 2021 with the theme Leadership and Participation of Persons with Disabilities towards an inclusive, accessible, and sustainable post-COVID-19 world. The aim of observing this day each year is to increase the awareness and understanding of disability issues and the benefits to be derived from the integration of people with disability in every aspect of life. The new legislation, the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, has provision which are also more elaborate for the person of the rights of persons with disabilities as compared to the old act. The whole world has now woken up to the reality of their needs and problems, and efforts from every section across the world are taking steps to ensure protection, to ensure participation to the fullest in every sphere of activity. So we must strive towards this end, to create a society which gives equal opportunity, thereby empowering persons with disabilities to the maximum possible extent. I am grateful to the All India Council for Technical Education for sponsoring around 200 aids and assistive devices such as crutch, hearing aid, smart canes, smartphone, multi-sensor educational developmental kits, and joystick wheelchair, including Neo-Motion motorcycle, which will assist them to reach greater higher. I must thank Shri Amitav Joyprakash Chaudhary, Editor-in-Chief, Healthy India Chronicle, New Delhi, for taking this initiative to organize this Northeast Disability Summit in Shillong, and for his constant support and dedication to make this program successful. It has always been encouraging to have his presence today, as he has been striving to bring in awareness on the issues of disability and making this appliance available through his initiative and tirelessly effort. I am aware that the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has been lending every support in empowering the person with disabilities. There are many schemes and programs offered by this ministry which are directly aimed for their upliftment, rehabilitation and empowerment so as to encourage them to lead a life of independence, hope and fulfillment. In Meghalaya, several schemes are being implemented for the person with disabilities through the Social Welfare Department and other allied departments such as scholarship, uniform grants, unemployment allowance, provision of aids and appliance, transport and escort allowance, the Chief Minister Social Assistance Pension schemes to the person with disabilities, the state meritorious scholarship and several others. UDID card disability certificate is a very important document as a person can avail all benefits and entitlement. Hence, I would request all others to get the UDID card or renew the old disability certificate to UDID cards. Recently, the state government has established the Composite Regional Center CRC at Shillong in the month of July in association with the National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities, Chennai, and has allotted 50 acres of land for Center for Disability Sports at Umsauli, Shillong, and out of this, 10 acres has been allotted for CRC. To make our society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the Accessible India campaign, which was launched by the Prime Minister on the 3rd December 2015, is being implemented in our state, where buildings are being made accessible to persons with disabilities, and also on the job of making the government website accessible. I would request all the members here and the stakeholders concerned, including the government departments, non-government organizations working for the welfare of the person with disabilities, to continue to work together, especially during this time of global pandemic, when continuous support from every angle needs to be extended in coping with all convenience. With these few words, before I said, I would like to thank all the members who have contributed their ideas. So from our department, I ensure that we will note all those points which was mentioned, and we will try to look forward with your extended support. We will move ahead to extend support to all the people of our state, especially those who are in need. With this few words, thank you so much. Kubleshpur, Mithila.
Thank you so very much. The Honorable